If you're a mature woman who's remotely interested in learning more about becoming a YouTube creator, maybe because you have a legacy to leave, or you're creative and you want to put your gifts out there for the world to see, or just for fun, or maybe to make some extra money, then stick around and let's just chat for a few minutes. My name is Fran Asaro, and I'm the founder of Thrive Anyway, and I'm helping seniors become YouTubers. And the reason I do that is, first of all, I am one, and I want to help in any way. Consider me a resource queen. If you need help with devices or tips or getting started, if there's any aspect of becoming a YouTube creator that has you baffled, then I want to be your go-to for that particular question. Write down anything in the comments section if you want me to answer or create a video specifically about what you need. I really need to know what you need to be able to provide it for you. Just comment below what you need to receive to get you started. And subscribe to this channel, because we're going to have a lot of things out there to help you grow and thrive as a YouTube creator, or what I call a senior tuber. Have a fantastic day.